Hey guys,
Hi.
welcome back to the channel. Yeah.
So yeah, in today's video we'll be cutting our neighbor's tree.
Okay, so they'll be cutting our neighbor's tree. So we've been having issues with a large tree back there. We'll show you. So it's a pecan nut tree, and we've got some wild parrots in our backyard. So they like to go take those pecan nuts and drop them on top of the house.
Yeah,
So,
and I mean, the moment they drop the nuts, it makes a very awful sound early in the morning at like 4 a.m. when everybody's trying to get a good night's sleep. So
frustrating.
Unfortunately, we have to.
Yeah, so we
cut
spoke
it.
to the neighbor, and today is the day. Been waiting for this.
Yeah, so
Alright, so we've got some guys who are gonna help us to cut the trees,
Yes.
some professionals. Yeah.
absolutely, and I hope you will enjoy this video. And as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Wild parrots in the backyard.
This clip is just before when the tree was taken down, and there are still some parrot beds in there. This tree is about more than 6 meters tall, and you can imagine by the time the nuts hit the roof, it causes a very loud banging noise. And imagine this happening at 4 a.m. The birds seem to love tossing the raw pecans on the roof, and at times if you stand beneath there, they will intentionally hit you with those nuts. They also like to do that to the chickens. I just thought I should show you how beautiful the nuts this tree actually gave us. These pecan nuts were so delicious, very sweet. They were very good. Even if you ate them raw, they still tasted nice. They were also very good in cake. I remember I made quite a profit when I was doing my cake business. I made a lot of sales on carrot cake with pecan nuts. In overall, we had very good memories with this tree. It is only the noisy situation. At a close shot, this is one of the birds looked like. We've always been tempted on how we can capture them and keep them.
Hey guys, today we'll be cutting some trees, just trimming off. See these guys here? They're here to help me cut off some branches on this tree. So this is a pecan nut tree. So apparently we've got some wild parrots in our backyard. So they like to bite the pecan nuts and drop them on top of this roof here. So yeah, these guys are gonna help me to cut off those branches. It's my neighbor's tree. Spoke to him, so he says no problem, it's fine. So I'm gonna cut the branches that are overlapping on top of the house. Yeah, quick shot, quick video. Hope you enjoy.
Next, we'll show you detailed clips of how the tree was cut. I hope you will enjoy. This is after the trim. We hope there'll be less noise on the roof.
I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and yeah, it was an interesting one.
Yeah, and we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next one.